What is up, guys? This is Chris, aka No Risk, No Premium, coming to you on 3/15/2022, right in the middle of the good old fashioned quad witching week, guys. I want to say thank you for being patient, going through some stuff in my personal life as far as moving, and just nothing can't seem to go right. So I've been insanely busy outside of trading, outside of our community, and I appreciate y'all for still holding it down while I was gone. But now I'm back, right? I'm back. And great time to be back in the middle of some goddamn crazy whipsaw action, but nothing that we didn't expect, right? I mean, we've been talking about this week for a while now with the quad witching coming up, right? With the FOMC event tomorrow and Powell speaking, with the market anticipating any sort of rate hike. Guys, if anyone tells you exactly what the Powell's going to say tomorrow, I mean, listen, nobody knows what the fuck he's going to say. Everybody's guessing. There is no definite answer. And even if they are correct, even if they knew Powell directly, okay, he could be very hawkish and we rip higher. He could be dovish and we rip lower. I mean, guys, we have to play what's in front of us, right? We have to play what's in front of us, okay? So I want to talk about levels, okay? And the market's been respected them very, very, very well, right? So here's what we're looking at for tomorrow, okay? So hey, we have SPY right here. Haven't tried this in a while, so I should probably rechart it again. So that's what I'm going to do. Hold on one sec. Let me see if I can. Just going to take this line and just I'm going to extend it about right where it's at before. So line it up on top so I don't have to. There it is. And I'll also do the same to this top line, but it's not that. Oh, nope. All right. So what are we looking at for this week as far as support and resistance levels, guys? I mean, it's pretty simple here. We can see, listen, 416 is massive. What else is massive? 428. You guys see that, right? I mean, it's not hard to see. Huge support with huge bounces. You want to talk about 416, ripper up to 430. Okay. 416, ripper up to 427. Okay. Obviously, we have this tight, well, not tight. I mean, it's a 12-point range for the most part, 12 to 14-point range. But look, every time we smack this 428, we come down, right? So someone was asking me today, like, are you still in your trade? Are you doing this? Whatever. Yes, I'm still in my short until 428, 430 is taken out, held, and it holds overnight, meaning we close above that level. Okay. That's where I'm still in the trade. Okay. Excuse me. So what do we have to the upside right now, guys? We closed right at 426, 427-ish, right? We have 428 to the upside. And then I'd say this nice cluster right here, you see this dotted green line is the 20 simple moving average. The 21 EMA exponential moving average is the red solid line right here. And where are they both at? 430. Okay, pretty simple level to see here. So I would say we have 428, 430, and then we know 433 is a pretty bitch and a half of a level. But if we did get there, I mean, we see now this death cross crossover, right? This purple dotted, okay, is crossing over this whatever color dotted that's flat. Still can't figure out a color, the name for the color, but look, we got the crossover, okay? It's there. This is the quote unquote death cross. You guys don't know what the death cross is? I'll just go ahead and give you another recap. It's when the 20 SMA crosses over the 50 SMA, and both of those moving averages crosses over the 200-day. So this color that I do not know what to call it, dotted line, is the 20. I'm sorry, is the 200 SMA. The solid yellow line I have is the 8 EMA exponential. And the red solid is the 21 EMA. Okay. So what happens if we break 430? Well, I would think we're going to probably come up and likely test 438, 440. And if that gets really, if we really want to get to ripping, then we got 444. So what do we have? What do we have? 428, 430, right? Because we have the 8 EMA, or I'm sorry, the 21 EMA and the 20 SMA right on top of each other right now. Okay. And then above that, I'd say 430. I'd say 440. Realistically, it could get to 440 if we really push. It will squeeze like a mother. But who knows if we get there? I don't know. But basically, everything is all about 416 now. Because if 416 breaks, we surely try 410. Okay. And 410, we'll see if we get a bounce there or not. Okay, that would definitely be an exit position for any puts that you're in. Okay, that's what I would think. So what do we have? Upside, 428, 430, 438, 440, really, and then 445 up there. Downside, we need to break 416. It's all about 416. Okay. I would even say 420 would give you some turbulence, but I think if we try lower again, we'll likely flush through that. And my guess is if we try 416 again, we'll probably flush through that as well, especially on the catalyst of news tomorrow, which is price action, which would probably send it through. Okay. So guys, tomorrow, just chill. Just chill. The market is, I mean, there's like a 90% chance we range into Powell. We know Powell speaks. Okay. The notes come out at 11. Excuse me, at 2 p.m., which is 11 my time. And then he speaks at 2:30. Speaks at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. So just be ready for that. Okay. If you want, you don't even have to wake up until 30 minutes before he comes on. I used to not. Right. I probably won't be. I will be attentive because I'm already in a short position. So, like, let's say we did gap down overnight. Or we did sell off into Powell, right? I probably take a lot of risk off the table at that point. Okay. So I'll be attentive, but I'm not going to be trading. I'll wait until Powell. The action is always better after Powell. Okay. The action is always better after Powell, I promise. So let's see what happens tomorrow. But guys, remember, always do less. Okay. If the VIX is so elevated above 30, okay, this is not. No, it just dipped down today, but it's very likely that we get some more action tomorrow. That's my guess. Okay. So let's see. I would say you need to be very, 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 very agile. You need to be quick, but you do not need to be in a hurry. Always have your head on a swivel. All right. You need to be in and out. Okay. And you can always buy time. Okay. The 0 dates are fun, but you got to be quick with the trigger. Okay. Got to be quick with the trigger. All right, guys, that's all I got for tonight. Remember, 428, 430, 438, 440 to the upside. Downside is all about 416. 416 breaks, we're surely going to test 410. Okay. Very, very, very simple, straightforward there. If 410 breaks, I'd be targeting like let's see actually on the weekly chart what that last downside levels would be on SPY. Wait. Is this the chart? No, I want the. How come I don't have the monthly? Where did that go? Hold on one second, guys. Yeah, this is what I'd be looking for on the monthly chart. So the 20-day on the monthly is what, 409 now. So yeah, 410. 410 would be that area, which is also what, the low here, like the low of January. I'm sorry, of February, excuse me. So we're in March now, right? So 410 would be a great place to exit. You would anticipate a pretty massive bounce here, having these MA and EMA on this monthly chart there as well. Okay, guys, 416, 410, and if that breaks, 403. Okay, but I would expect a bounce there, most definitely. All right, you guys have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see y'all bright and early in the Discord. Peace.